In today's video, we are going to show you how to open a trading account on Plus500. It's a simple process and takes just a few minutes. All I have to do is go to the official website, which is www.plus500.com. On the top right corner, you will see that there is the Start Trading button. I want you to click on it because this will forward you to a new page. For you to create an account in Plus500, you can use a business email, a personal email, and to make the account creation faster and easier, you can sign up using your Google, Facebook, and Apple and follow the on-screen instructions. After registering, check your email inbox and click the verification link sent by Plus500 to activate your account. And what will happen is you will be forwarded to a new page. And to comply with regulations, you need to complete your profile. This includes providing personal details and uploading a valid ID such as passport or driver's license. Once your account is verified, you can now make your first deposit using available payment methods like Google Pay, via card, fast bank transfer using Trustly, or a traditional bank transfer. And that's it! Your Plus500 account is now ready. You can start exploring the trading platform, viewing assets, and practicing with a demo account if you prefer first. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to create an account here in Plus500. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.